Where's your squeaky ball, Coco? Coco. Hey, Coco. Where's your squeaky ball? Oh, I know it's a nice day outside. Oh, is that the birdies? I hear birdies. I know. I know. It's a very good day. Hey, Coco, where's your squeaky ball? Coco? Hey, Coco. Coco, where's squeaky ball? Come here. Here. In here. Where's that squeaky ball? What? Oh, is that how it's done? Very good, honey. Very good. Where are you? Where'd you go? Good girl. Coco? Hey, Coco. You feel better now? You have a squeaky ball in your mouth? Time to sit. Wait for chippies. Coco. She's busy. She is busy.